Hello friends, welcome to Hannah's Little Art World. Hannah is 6 years old. She's passionate about drawing and painting and would love to share her artwork. Come along little friends, let's draw together with Hannah. Thanks for following along. Make sure to subscribe to Hannah's Little Art World right now and see you again soon.